You can become a genius at Claude in 10 minutes, and most people have no idea these techniques even exist. Right now, you're probably using Claude like everyone else. Big prompts, endless back and forth, mediocre results. But there's a hidden layer most users never discover. 7 techniques that separate amateurs from experts. I'm about to show you exactly what the top 5% know, and it works on the free version of Claude. No subscription, no complex setup, just copy-paste techniques that instantly upgrade your results. 10 minutes from now, you'll have skills that most people pay hundreds to learn. You absolutely don't want to miss techniques 1 and 2. Let's dive in. Technique number 7, clarity kills vagueness. Look at what's on screen right now. If you type, "Help me with a presentation," watch what happens. Claude asks 5 clarifying questions. What's the topic? Who's the audience? How long should it be? What kind of help do you need? Do you have existing materials? This back and forth wastes 30 seconds minimum. You're stuck in a loop of questions instead of getting results. Now, watch this. One detailed prompt with all the specifics. Slide numbers, exact revenue figures, formatting preferences, everything Claude needs. Look at the difference. Claude instantly creates a professional presentation deck with structured slides, clean formatting, and bold metrics exactly as requested. One specific prompt, 0 back and forth, perfect output. Clarity alone gives you 40% better results every single time. Technique number 6, chain of thought debugging. I ask Claude, debug this error with just the error message. Type error, cannot read property map of undefined. Claude asks for the code and more context. More back and forth, more wasted time. Now watch what happens when we add step-by-step instructions, as you can see on the screen. Look at Claude's response now. It methodically analyzes the problem with numbered steps. Step 1 identifies the exact operation that failed, the items.map method call. Step 2 explains what undefined means in this context. Step 3 traces back to find that getUserItems is returning undefined. Step 4 lists 3 possible root causes ranked by likelihood: missing return statement, async operation not awaited, or conditional return path. Step 5 provides the exact fix with code and a clear explanation. Step 6 prevention strategies to avoid this in the future. Chain of thought turns random guessing into systematic problem solving. Production-ready solutions every time. Technique number 5, few shot prompting. When I prompt Claude with this, write a product description for a water bottle. It gives you generic copy that nobody reads. Here's a product description for a water bottle. Bland, forgettable, could be written by anyone. Now watch the power of examples. We give Claude 3 perfect examples of what we need the output to look like. Example 1, blue, running shoe with specific features and structure. Example 2, wireless headphones with technical details and benefits. Example 3, bamboo cutting board with eco-friendly messaging. Then we ask, based on the above examples, write a product description for a stainless steel water bottle. Look at the result. Claude perfectly matches the tone, length, and structure. It creates HydraFlow stainless steel water bottle with the exact same professional style. Specific features, benefit-driven copy, technical details, lifestyle context. 3 examples just turn Claude into an instant copywriter. Pause the video and copy this format. It works for any writing style you need. Technique number 4, XML tags, Claude's native language. Observe this unstructured approach. Summarize this sales data with all the numbers and metrics. What are the key takeaways? Claude gives you a wall of text, paragraphs mixed together with bold headers. It's technically correct, but it's a mess to scan through. Now watch what happens when we use XML tags to structure the request. We wrap everything in tags. Task tag defines what we want. Summarize Q2 sales data into structured report. Data tag contains all the numbers. Format tag specifies exactly what we need. Summary with 3 key metrics. Table for top 3 products. Insights with 3 strategic takeaways. Look at Claude's response. It mirrors the exact structure we requested. Clean executive summary section with 3 numbered key metrics. A properly formatted table showing the top 3 products by revenue. Strategic insights section with 3 detailed takeaways. XML tags give you instant organization. Claude understands structure when you speak its language. Technique number 3. Thinking tags force deep reasoning. Without thinking tags, Claude often gives you surface-level answers. quick responses that miss the strategic depth you need for complex problems. Now watch what happens when you force Claude to think first. Plan marketing strategy using thinking tags first. Goal: $5 million to $20 million ARR in 24 months. Market: B2B SaaS, 200 customers. We structure it with thinking tags. Inside the thinking tags, Claude must work through 1. Current challenges. 2. 3 growth levers. 3. Prioritize by ROI. 4. 90-day roadmap. Look at what Claude delivers. Inside the thinking tags, you see its complete reasoning process, analyzing the current state at 5 million ARR, evaluating 3 distinct growth levers with ROI calculations, weighing trade-offs between customer expansion versus new acquisition. Then after the thinking tags close, it delivers the clean strategic plan. Current state analysis, 3 core growth levers prioritized by ROI and impact. A detailed 90-day roadmap broken down by month with specific actions and expected outcomes. It's like watching a consultant think out loud before giving you the final recommendation. You see the reasoning, then you get the production-ready solution. Thinking tags turn quick answers into deep strategic thinking. Technique number 2. Prompt chaining for complex projects. Single prompts fail at multi-step work. Watch how chaining transforms complexity into production quality. Here, the prompts follow the progression: idea, strategy, content, perfection. Phase 1. Create the strategic foundation. Create detailed plan for email campaign. Goal, audience, budget, timeline. Claude delivers a complete campaign plan. Audience segmentation into 4 groups, 5 email sequence topics, key metrics to track, A/B test ideas, budget allocation, and success benchmarks. Phase 2. Paste Phase 1's output, then add new instructions. Create detailed outlines for email number 1 only. Watch the transformation: 3 subject line variations, complete email structure breakdown, and segment specific variations for each audience type. Phase 3. Paste Phase 2's output, then add next step. Write complete email number 1 using the outline from Phase 2. Claude delivers production-ready email copy. All subject lines ready for testing, complete email body for multiple segments, 2 customer testimonials integrated, clear CTAs, even a testing checklist. Phase 4. Paste Phase 3's output, add final refinement. Check and improve: subject line, clickability, personalization, CTA strength, mobile rendering, grammar, and compliance. Claude optimizes everything, scores each subject line out of 100, identifies personalization gaps, provides optimized CTAs, includes technical specs for mobile rendering, and estimates performance improvements. 4 phases, each building on the last. Strategic foundation to polished perfection. Single prompts can't deliver this level of quality. Before we reveal the final technique, hit that subscribe button for more such videos. Technique number 1. Custom instructions. Your personal AI expert. Without custom instructions, Claude gives generic advice. Help me grow my SaaS business? Claude asks clarifying questions. Where are you at? What's your main challenge? What stage is your business in? Generic responses that could apply to anyone. Now watch the power of a one-time setup. Create a project with custom instructions, as you can see here on the screen. Senior B2B SaaS marketer, 10+ years, focused on scaling an analytics platform from $5 million to 20 million ARR, competing with Mixpanel and Amplitude, using data-driven GTM strategy within a $50,000 quarterly budget. Same question now. Help me grow my SaaS business. Look at the transformation. Claude delivers a structured expert strategy, defines the problem, outlines 3 prioritized growth strategies with specific percentages of effort, lists exact metrics to track for acquisition, expansion, and efficiency, and provides a detailed 90-day roadmap broken down by month with specific actions: product-led growth motion, account expansion program, competitive displacement campaign, all with actionable steps and timeline. One-time setup, expert-level responses forever. Your AI specialist that remembers your context, your industry, your goals. So there you have it. 7 techniques to use Claude like a pro. Go to claude.ai right now and try your hand at any of the techniques. Watch how one simple change transforms your results. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'm breaking down real AI techniques that actually work. No fluff, just results you can use today. I'll see you in the next one.